question is, what are you so hungry for that you are willing to pay any price to have? There's a common adage in the English language. To the hungry soul, every bitter thing is sweet. And the initial interpretation is that when someone is physically hungry, no matter how terrible the food tastes, to them it's like a cuisine. But on a deeper level, which I want us to look at, people who are hungry for something consider every bitter step as a sweet step towards what they are looking for. You see, when you are hungry for something in life, you will do anything and everything to get it. And every price you pay, everything you do, every step, every decision, no matter how painful, no matter how hard, is sweet to you, because the end result is more important than anything. Like football, to the striker, every goal is sweet. To the team, to the manager, every goal is sweet. And so they will pay every price in training, in strategy, in maintaining their health to make sure they can achieve that goal of winning the match. The question is, what are you so hungry for that you are willing to pay any price to have? Sometimes people tell me, Mr. Benson, your book is nice, but I check the price and I find it expensive. And my response is, I don't think you are hungry enough for this book. I don't think you really want it that bad. No. Then they respond, no, I really want it. I really like it. I want to buy it. Then I respond finally, then save and buy it. If you can't afford to buy it in 1 month, save for another month and buy it. You see, this book was not written for the average person. This book was written for the hungry. Those who are hungry to go to a higher level, hungry to become smarter, hungry to become better, faster, stronger, more intelligent, more competent, more productive, hungry to take their business higher, hungry to be more academically brilliant. It's for the hungry. That is why the central character is a hungry person. Cristiano Ronaldo, always hungry to be better, always hungry to score more goals. So if you really want to succeed, you need to be hungry. My question for you is, what are you hungry for? Comment below. What are you really hungry for? What do you really want? What are you willing to pay any price to have? Because what you are hungry for will determine what you will do. And if you want to order this if you want to order a copy of this book, just go to the link in my bio or just go to my website, bansonbooks.com. Banson Books, BANSON, books.com. It's in the comments below or it's in my bio. You can go straight there to give you a link to Amazon and you can just purchase, or you can just click the link of Amazon below and make that purchase. But are you hungry for something? Do you think $24.99 is too far a price or too big a price? Do you think $24.99 for the paperback or $39.99 for the hardcover is too steep a price for you to pay for what you are hungry for? If it is, then maybe you're not just that hungry. If it's financial hindrance and that you can't afford it with your income, you can save. That's right, you can save. And saving will help you move forward. Saving for this book will not be a wrong investment. So if you're in a country where you think the income for you is low, save and buy it. The ebook is $9.99, paperback $24.99, and hardcover $39.99. I'll see you later. Be hungry and stay strong.